In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to blur your background in GoToMeeting. This feature can be a game changer, especially if you're looking to maintain a professional appearance during meetings from less than ideal locations. So let's dive right into it. First off, if you haven't already, open GoToMeeting on your device. The great thing about GoToMeeting is that it offers flexibility whether you're the one organizing the meeting or simply a participant. So, you can either start a brand new meeting yourself or join an ongoing one. The steps remain the same either way. Once you're in the meeting, you'll want to access your video settings. This is crucial, as it allows you to control various aspects of your meeting's visual setup. You'll notice a toolbar at the bottom of the screen, and here you should find the settings icon. It's usually represented by a gear symbol, but sometimes it might appear as your profile picture, depending on your device or version. Don't worry if you're having trouble spotting it right away. Often, if you hover over the video window, you'll see a button labeled Change Background. Clicking this will also get you to the right place. Now that you've opened your video settings, you'll find yourself presented with a variety of options. Look around for the Background Effects section. Within this menu, you should see an option specifically for blur background. This is the feature we're focusing on today. Go ahead and click on Blur Background. This simple action will activate the blur effect on your video. You'll notice that your background will seamlessly fade into a soft blur, allowing you to be the focal point of the screen. This can really help in reducing distractions that may exist in your physical environment, ensuring that everyone's attention remains on the meeting's content and discussions. And there you have it. Once you've enabled the blur effect, your background stays nicely blurred for the entire duration of your meeting. Remember, if at any point you decide to switch things up, you can always revisit the settings. You have the flexibility to turn the blur off or opt for a different virtual background if that suits your needs more. There you go. Simple, straightforward, and incredibly useful. Blurring your background can enhance the professionalism of your online presence without requiring much effort at all. Feel free to test out the different backgrounds and find what works best for you. Thanks for tuning in today, and I hope this tip helps enhance your future virtual meetings.